Never trust a septic inspection. An inspection can only tell you if a system is failing, but can never confirm it's not. Let me explain. An inspection should consist of a visual inspection, a hydraulic test using dye, pumping the tank to check the condition and to look for backflow, along with verifying all the components are in good condition and working properly. Even if an inspector does all of these, and many don't, you're only improving the confidence level of the inspection, but you can never say the condition of it with certainty. For instance, if you do a hydraulic test, you will get a different result if the house has been vacant than if it's occupied. In fact, you'll get a different result based on the number of people living in the home. You will also get a different result at different times of the year. The same system that passed in August may fail in March. All the test tells you is that under these specific conditions, the system passed. In fact, we don't even do load tests anymore because the results have too many variables. I prefer to review the historical satellite images. At least that can tell me what the system looks like under a range of conditions. If it ever showed signs of failure, I can communicate that with my buyers. I'm not saying you shouldn't get an inspection. It will tell you if the system is showing signs of failure right now. I'm just saying don't put too much faith in a passing inspection. Your inspector should communicate the limitations to you, but my experience is most don't. I tell buyers to be prepared to replace any conventional system that's over 20 years old in the next 5 to 10 years. It may not need it, but I would rather have them in the back of their mind. So what's your experience with septic inspections?